Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 4.2 and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, you want to open up your settings, and from there let's go to network and internet, and you'll find hotspot and tethering. So tap on it and choose Wi-Fi hotspot, and from here you have the option to enable it by just flipping the toggle on or off like so. And you also have couple other options. So hotspot name will be the name that appears in your Wi-Fi list. You can tap on it to change it to something else. Then you have security. You can either have one that comes with or none, which I wouldn't really advise because then anyone can connect to it. And then you have the hotspot password, which you can also change for something that might be a little bit easier to remember. There we go. And well, that's about it for the setup. So now when you turn it on, you will be looking for the name of the hotspot, then tap on it and use this password that you have edited right here to connect to it. And see, also some phones have, okay, there we go. So it looks like the moment you enable it, it will also add a toggle to your notification panel right here, where you can actually toggle it on and off quickly. So that is how you would enable and also set up the portable hotspot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.